I'm Jill Santa Lucia, and I have known Ida almost my entire career. I own Catering Works in Raleigh, and Ida was one of my very first customers. I started in 1989, and I think I met Ida in 1990. She's a fun client. I saw her kids really grow up, and I was very young myself when I first started, and she gave me a chance when a lot of people wouldn't have. When I first started, I did go to culinary school. I grew up in upstate New York, and I worked in restaurants and started off baking for a restaurant that I worked at, and I was also a server. And I just loved the business. I loved taking care of people. I loved the cooking. I loved the baking. I loved the people. I loved the social. I like planning, beautiful events for people and making memories. It's a really important thing in life that I think sometimes we need to be reminded of. I have a popcorn company called Ellis Popcorn, which I started during the pandemic. So popcorn was one of the recipes on my main menu at Catering Works. So we would do a lot of popcorn bars. And so my first 3 recipes I did was a sea salty toffee, which is basically like your caramel corn with Belgian chocolate drizzle and sea salt. Perfect, classic, delicious. And then we did snickerdoodle, which is more like with the cinnamon, crisp, crackly, very delicious. And then we did our cookies and cream, which we renamed Zebra. And that's the Oreo cookie. And we take that and we use white chocolate in with that as well. And so those were our first 3. The zebra one I actually did for Ella's birthday when she was 8 years old. And parents were like calling me going, what was that? Like, where can we get that? And I would have my staff, they would take the popcorn to parties and they would come back and say, so-and-so thinks you need to bag this, and so-and-so, and it was something I really wanted to do. We have a ton of different flavors. We have 3 flavors that are carried at Harris Teeter right now, which is kind of fun. We did a little stint on the Home Shopping Network with it, and so we're really trying to grow our brand locally, but also nationally. We're at the airport a little bit in one of the kiosks for like a grab-and-go station. It's great. They're all our own recipes, homemade. We're in stores in Dallas, we're in New York, we're in, small little boutique shops, but we're really trying to grow locally as well.
Awesome. Yeah. And it all is made here?
Yeah, we make it right in our building. It's all us. Yeah, we don't have a co-packer or anything like that. It's all of our recipes. But for Ellis Popcorn, we have a website and it's a Shopify account, so you can go through and we ship it right to you, or you can pick it up. We have a pop-up shop that is open every day, Monday through Friday during office hours, because it's in one of our buildings. We're located off Atlantic and Hodges on Laurelbrook Street, and then on Saturday we have someone there so people can walk in and buy, but then we do a lot of business online as well. So, and it's just fun. Who doesn't love popcorn? It's a fun gift. It's a fun snack to bring to a party. It's just
it's happy food.
It's happy food. Yep, it sure is. Yep.